Hello y'all and welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about, is it really worth it to switch to LED bulbs from incandescents? Well, since moving in here to our new house in California, we've been switching out incandescent light bulbs for new LED light bulbs. And just the other day I was replacing a recessed light in our bathroom with a new LED recessed light from an incandescent one, and it got me thinking, I wonder, is it really cost efficient to switch out old incandescent light bulbs for new LED ones considering the cost of LED light bulbs? So we did the math and I found out something very interesting and very telling, and I wanted to share it with y'all. So if we look around our house, we have about 60 light bulbs throughout the entire house, of which those only about 15 we use on a regular basis, and we use them about half an hour a day. So with that being said, here in California electricity is pretty pricey, so we took that into account. On average, when we are using our lights, they're about 25 cents per kilowatt hour. So if we extrapolate that out, each of our light bulbs uses about 1.5 cents per hour if it's on half an hour of that hour. So if we do the math, extrapolate it out, we find out that it's 11.25 cents per day for those 15 light bulbs to be on half an hour a day. So if we multiply that out, that's about $3.37 per month and about $40 a year for those light bulbs. So we're going to use the same numbers for LED bulbs now, and then we'll get the comparison afterwards. Same 15 bulbs, half an hour a day. The difference is that a 60 watt equivalent LED bulb only uses 8.8 watts of electricity. So if we do the math, we find out that those 15 bulbs at half an hour a day only use 1.6 cents per day. So a significant difference. So if we extrapolate those numbers out, it's just about 49 cents per month for all 15 of those bulbs, and just under $6 a year for all 15 of those bulbs. So over the course of the year, you're going to be saving approximately $35 a year just by switching bulbs to LED. Now you're asking yourself, well, what about the cost? Because LED bulbs tend to be very expensive. Well, if you look on Amazon, and we did a quick search and found the first one that was Amazon Prime that had a lot of bulbs, and they were about 93 cents a bulb. So if we multiply 93 cents times 15, we get about $14. So if we take that $14 off that $35 we saved, we're still saving about $21 that first year. The other thing to think about with LED bulbs is that they last upwards of 10 years, which just you will never get with an incandescent bulb. So if you do the math at savings of $20 for the first year, including the cost of the bulb, and then about $35 of savings every year after that, you're saving over $330 in the life of those LED light bulbs, so it is definitely worth it. So this was very interesting, and I've always been wanting to do this math for a while to see, hey, is it really worth it? Because I've always heard that it is worth it. And sure enough, it's true, and we should all switch over to LED bulbs simply because they save electricity and save us money, especially here in places like California where electricity is so freaking expensive. So thanks a lot, y'all, for watching. We really appreciate it. You guys have a good one. Thank you guys for watching. We appreciate it. If you haven't already, please consider clicking on the subscribe link below. Also, we have the video that YouTube recommends for you down here to your left, as well as our most recent video to your right.